Hi everybody, this is Dale. Welcome to Not Too Shabby Chic. I'm so happy that you're here with me today. I am a day late and $1 short. This is the my episode of hashtag Altered Paperclips 2023 that was supposed to post yesterday. When you have a son and 2 grandchildren move in with you, it is hard to get to a routine and find time when you can film without a lot of noise. So I apologize for being late to my sweet friend MJ and Gigi, but better late than never, I guess. So let's get with it. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and welcome to everyone who's already subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, I wish that you would, and hit the like button and leave me a comment. I would love that. I read and answer every comment. So I filmed this once and there was no sound, as you guys know I'm prone to do. So we are refilming. I've already made the paper clips. I'm not redoing them because it was hard enough to find time to do this before everybody gets up, which will be any minute. So my prompts were sewing and country charm. So I will show you what I've done. First, I bought a gorgeous journal from Pam Van E, and I am behind on flip throughs of the gorgeous journals I've bought, but this is the one I purchased from her. Is this, I can't even get it all on the camera. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my Lanta, y'all. If you've not bought a journal from Pam, you need to make haste and get over there. But the reason I'm showing you this is it's a sewing eclectic journal. Look at the lusciousness. This is like one of my favorites that she's ever made, and I've bought a bunch of Pam's journals because I love them. But she had 2 tags in here, 3 tags in here that I decided to use for my altered paper clips. So I'm going to show you my sewing altered paper clips. Put that away. First, she did these gorgeous tags. They're like the floss holders, thread holders, and she had this cute yarn wrapped around, and then this one was a separate one. I made it into a hidden paper clip. Isn't it cute? I love it. And so I was going to show you in my Dale Evans journal that my sweet friend Kara of Paper Confessions by Kara Mia made me just out of the blue and just made me boohoo. I was named after Dale Evans, so this is so special to me, and it is full of wonderfulness. So I just want to show you how this will look on a page. You just put it down, and I used a jumbo paper clip, so this paper is kind of thin. I probably should, there we go. So that's how it looks on a page. Isn't that adorable? Then when you turn the page, you've got a beauty on the other side too, and it will hold cards or anything that you want to put under it. Isn't that beautiful? So thank you, Pam, for this wonderful floss tags that I turned into an altered paper clip, and I will put it back in my Pam journal. This one's just easier to find a page right now. Isn't that, I'm just in love with this. I think it's so cute. The second one she did was a button card. This wasn't here and the buttons weren't on it. They're like little digital buttons. I glued real vintage buttons on the buttons, and I added a button here. She already had this there. Isn't that adorable? And I made it a small hidden paper clip. So let's show you what that might look like. There you go. Nope. There you go. Isn't she cute? You can just stick her anywhere, and then on the back side you've got the little paper clip, and you could tie a string or add a charm there if you wanted to. So you can make altered paper clips out of button cards, out of I don't know what you call these, spools, paper spools. Aren't those adorable? So that is my sewing theme paper clips. Now next is Country Charm. Well, you all know I made houses for a while. Well, you may not know. If you don't, you need to go back and look at one of my videos where I show a lot of the houses I've made. I haven't shown them all. This is one. Isn't it adorable? It's got a tag inside. The chimney is the tag. That cute. Well, I made it into a hidden paper clip. Put a piece of paper, and I just altered paper clip. I'm sorry, it's not hidden. Obviously, you can see it. So let's see how this looks. So you can take an envelope, make you a house, and put it in your journal. And you've got a pocket, a floating pocket, if you will, and it sticks out of the top. The little chimney does, which I think is cute. And on the back, you can kind of see the tag with the little threads. And I would probably tie a bow like so on this side. Isn't that cute? So that is my Country Charm. I'm sorry you didn't get to see me make them, but you've seen us make the paper clips every week, so you know how to do that. If you don't, go back and watch MJ or Gigi or my channel's prior altered paper clips episodes. These are just some ideas for you, and I hope you'll join in. We're going through the end of the year. The next one up will be Gigi at Journal Gigi Hana next Friday. She will be doing the next episode. So you can take a little house envelope that you make, or an envelope of any kind, and make it into a pocket with a tag or a knot. You can use paper spools for your sewing journals. Isn't that adorable? Button cards. All are great ways to make altered paper clips using what you already have. I didn't have to make something new. I grabbed things that were already made and thought these would make great paper clips. You can do the same thing. Look around, get something you've already made, and make it into an altered paper clip. So that's my episode for today. Everybody remember that God loves you so very much, and so do I. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.